Ever wondered how people are earning while they sleep? Today, we're unlocking the secret of making money online through affiliate marketing on autopilot. Stay tuned unless you're okay with missing out on turning your dreams into bank deposits. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital matchmaker. You're finding products your audience will love and connecting them, earning a commission in the process. It's simple, right? Well, not so fast. The secret sauce to making money while you sleep lies in selecting the right affiliate programs and products. And guess what? Today, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. Imagine you're at a vast marketplace, but instead of fruits and veggies, it's filled with affiliate programs and products. Your job? To pick the ones that not only align with your audience's interests, but also offer you a fair slice of the pie. This might sound daunting, but worry not. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or niche-specific networks are your treasure maps in this marketplace. These platforms make it easier for you to sort through countless options and identify the ones with the best earning potential. But why are these platforms so crucial, you ask? Take Amazon Associates, for instance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of affiliate marketing. With an extensive range of products, it's incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. And then there's ClickBank, which is like the golden goose for digital products, offering generous commission rates. Or if you're targeting a specific crowd, niche networks can lead you to products that resonate deeply with your audience, ensuring more clicks and higher conversions. Here's a little exercise. Think about your last online purchase. What made you click buy? Chances are it was because you trusted the recommendation or the platform. That's the power of choosing the right affiliate program and product. It builds trust, drives sales, and yes, makes you money while you're catching Z's. Now imagine waking up to an email notification saying you've earned a commission. That's not a dream. It's a well-chosen affiliate program at work. But here's a question to ponder. What is it that your audience needs or loves that you haven't explored yet? Building a strong online presence is much like building a house. The foundation is your content. It needs to be solid, reliable, and engaging. This isn't just about throwing links out into the digital void and hoping someone clicks. Instead, picture this. Every article, video, or post you create is a brick in your foundation. Each piece of content should serve a purpose and align with what your audience is searching for. Imagine you're guiding someone through an unfamiliar city. Your content is the map you draw for them, making sure it's detailed, accurate, and leads them precisely where they want to go. In this city, your affiliate links are the landmarks worth visiting. But here's the catch: your map won't be any good if people can't find it. This is where the power of SEO comes into play. It's like putting up signposts that lead people to your map among thousands of others. Now you might be wondering, okay, but how do I get started? It's simpler than you think. Start with what you love. Are you into tech gadgets? Great, start a blog reviewing the latest products. Love making DIY crafts? A YouTube channel might be your best bet. The key is consistency. You want to become the go-to source for your audience, so when they think of DIY crafts, your channel comes to mind first. But what truly sets apart successful online platforms? Engagement. It's not just about posting content, it's about starting conversations. Interact with your audience, reply to comments, ask for their opinions, and most importantly, listen to their feedback. This two-way communication builds a community around your content, making your online presence stronger and more vibrant. And remember, the online world is always evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to tweak your strategy. Now, here's a question for you to ponder. What's one topic you're passionate about that you believe isn't being adequately explored online? In the sprawling city of the internet, where every nook and cranny is packed with content, standing out might seem like finding a needle in a haystack. But what if I told you there's a compass that can guide you straight to your audience? This compass is SEO, and at its heart lies the treasure map of keyword research. Imagine you're planning a party. You wouldn't just blindly choose the music, food, or decor without considering your guests, right? In the same vein, SEO tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush are your way of understanding what your audience is searching for. They show you the party preferences of your potential visitors. Now you might think, keywords are just words, how powerful can they be? Here's where the magic unfolds. These aren't just any words. They are the secret whispers of your audience, telling you exactly what they seek. For instance, instead of guessing that people want to know how to bake a cake, these tools can show you that what they're really looking for is easy vanilla cake recipe for beginners. This level of detail allows you to tailor your content so precisely that it feels like a direct conversation with each member of your audience. But here's the kicker. It's not just about finding the right keywords. It's about understanding the intent behind them. Are your audience members looking to buy something, or are they just seeking information? Each intent requires a different approach, and SEO tools help you decipher this code. This step is crucial because it determines how you write your content. Will it be a detailed guide, a product review, or a comparison post? Each type of content speaks to a different audience need, and matching your content with the right need is like hitting the bullseye in the vast archery range of the internet. What's fascinating is how this approach transforms your content creation strategy. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, you're using a spear precisely aimed at your target. This not only brings quality traffic to your site, but also increases the likelihood of engagement. After all, visitors are more likely to stick around, subscribe, or make a purchase if they found exactly what they were looking for. So here's a thought to ponder. In your own searches online, which type of content do you find yourself clicking on more often? Ones that vaguely match your search query, or those that seem tailor-made for your needs? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine being able to peek into the minds of your visitors to truly understand what drives them to your site and keeps them there. That's the superpower analytics tools like Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards gift you. They're not just numbers and charts. They're the secret recipes behind your most engaging content. By uncovering which pages have the highest engagement rates and where your traffic is coming from, you can pinpoint what your audience loves. But it's not just about basking in the glow of your successes. It's about leveraging that information to turbocharge your content strategy. For instance, if you notice a surge in traffic from a particular source, ask yourself why. Is it a topic that resonates deeply with your audience, or is it the way you've presented the information? This is where you start refining, experimenting with different content formats or angles on popular topics. Next, affiliate dashboard metrics bring another layer of insight, especially for those in the affiliate marketing space. These metrics can show you not just which products are popular among your audience, but also which content pieces drive the most conversions. This is gold. You can now create more content aligned with what's proven to work, and even use this data to negotiate better deals with affiliate partners. In essence, it's like becoming a content alchemist, turning data into gold. And the best part, this approach is iterative. The more you refine, the better your content resonates, driving more traffic, engagement, and conversions. It's a cycle of success that starts with understanding analytics. Now, I'm curious, what's one insight from your own analytics that surprised you or changed the way you approach your content? Creating content that stands the test of time isn't just about hitting publish and hoping for the best. It's an art and a science aimed at crafting pieces that continue to attract visitors, spark engagement, and drive sales year after year. Imagine crafting a masterpiece so valuable that it becomes a perpetual asset, quietly working in the background, funneling a consistent stream of traffic and conversions to your site. That's the power of evergreen content. But how exactly do you create this type of content? It starts with understanding the core needs and problems of your audience. What questions do they have today that they'll still be asking a year from now? Evergreen content often tackles foundational topics, those that are always relevant regardless of the season or the year. This could be a comprehensive guide on how to set up a blog, tips for beginners learning to invest, or strategies to achieve a positive work-life balance. Now, you might wonder why focus on topics that have possibly been covered countless times. Here's where your unique perspective comes into play. Injecting your personal experiences, case studies, and fresh insights can breathe new life into seemingly worn-out subjects, making them valuable and unique to your audience. Also, by updating these pieces periodically with the latest information and trends, you ensure they remain relevant and continue to rank high in search results, bringing in a steady flow of traffic.